up everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elsa Chinyari and this is Do Life With Me. To my newcomers, karibuni sana. To my gang. It's always a pleasure to have you guys. I'm so grateful that you guys are continuing to subscribe and to like and to comment. Thank you so much. Now we are at 111. Thank you so much, and it's my prayer that we are going to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Okay, please guys, continue subscribing, share, tell your friends to tell a friend. This is clean content, as I told you. Let's have fun. Please subscribe. Okay, let's get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of 2021. Okay, so sorry. So guys, on today's video I'm going to show you how I make my yogurt at home. Yogurt is very important, especially to us women. I'm going to shoot another video telling you how yogurt is important to us. Okay, so I used to buy yogurt every now and then, and it's really expensive because like a liter of yogurt goes for 200 shillings. Imagine buying spending like 400 per week, because you buy 1 liter, you take a liter, because I'm alone, so you take a liter, let's say 2 days, then you buy another one, so it's really expensive. So I thought, why not research on how to make yogurt? And when I found the recipe, mimi na supermarket ni buy yogurt nijikute. So I make my own yogurt at home, plain yogurt. If I want to add in flavors, I can add chocolate, I add vanilla essence, strawberry, banana. You have a lot of flavors to incorporate into your yogurt. So today guys, I'm going to show you how you can also make yogurt at home, your own yogurt at home, especially to those who have kids. I know kids love yogurt. This will be very you'll save a lot on buying yogurt every now and then. So let me take you through our ingredients. So guys, we need plain milk. This is plain milk. It's pre-boiled, so I'll have to boil it again because it has already cooled. Then we are going to need this is yogurt. This is plain yogurt. In the yogurt making process, this is called a culture. So we need culture or starter to make the yogurt. Then the yogurt that we're going to make today, we can use it another day as culture to make another yogurt. So it's a continuous process. So we are going to boil this. Not to boil, just to warm it up a little bit. So our milk is now on the cooker. When you start seeing bubbles on the side, now it's time to switch off your cooker. So guys, after warming our milk, now it's time to transfer it into a plastic container. You should not make your yogurt using a metallic container. You just boil, then transfer it to the plastic container. Everything you do with the anything you use to make the yogurt should be used using plastic. Whether it's stirring, keeping it should be kept in plastic. Even stirring, plastic, everything is plastic. Okay, it's very important guys. So I'm going to add in our yogurt inside here. I think it's warm enough. Yes, I'm going now to after stirring, make sure you stir your yogurt using a plastic spoon. Okay, make sure you stir. Then now we are going to put it in like that. Use wooden or plastic guys, no metallic. Then I'm going just to stir gently. I used about 250 ml of yogurt and a liter of milk, so that should be enough. So just stir like that. Now after stirring, it's time to cover it. Don't stir too much. You should not stir too much. Then we are going to cover it immediately. Oh, and before I forget, now if I'm making plain yogurt, but if you want to make strawberry yogurt, this is the point where you're going to add in your fresh strawberries. If it's vanilla, you can use vanilla essence. If it's chocolate, any flavor that you're going to add, this is the time where you're going to add in your flavors. So now we're going to cover it. Not airtight, but make sure you have covered it well. Like so. Oopsie. Oopsie. Let me get my scissors. Yeah. And just cover it like that. That should be fine. Then after covering, I have it covered, then I'm going to cover it. But if you don't have a container which has a lid, don't worry, you can just cover it with a foil and that will be good. But since I have a... So this is not like a blanket, but just find something to cover it, like that. Make sure you don't move, guys. Please remember not to shake this mixture. It's supposed to rest and settle. So where you're going to make the yogurt, please cover it wherever you're going to make it and don't move it around. Okay, so we are going to cover this. Let me just do this. Cover it as much as possible. Don't know if you can see. Let me... Yes, cover. It's now covered. It's supposed to be as warm as possible, guys. Please bear in mind, you should cover it and it should be as warm as possible. Good. That's it. Now I'm going to leave this for 12 to 24 hours. Then we'll come back and see the results. Okay, don't move it around. Let it settle. Okay guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. So guys, it's the next day and it's time now to see if our yogurt is ready or it didn't work out the way we anticipated. So let's reveal. I just hope and pray that it's fine. Let's first remove this. Hope you guys can see. Ooh. So guys, as you can see, we have water. That's just whey. It's called whey. Oh my god, it smells like yogurt. So I'm going to reduce this whey because I think it's way too much. It's way too much. But don't worry, this is not bad actually. It's very good. It's used for preservation mostly. Yeah, but then when you're preserving, like let's say cheese, you use whey. It's important. It's not bad. Now we're going to give this a stir. Let's see how thick it is. Oh my god. Look. Let's stir. It will just, it's fine, don't mind about the, like this, it's okay, because it will, how will I call it, it will soften as we leave it to rest. But basically our yogurt is done. Look how thick that is. Now let's put it here. Let's serve and let me have a taste. Look how thick this is. Just look. I think that's enough. Let's have a taste. You can see how big it is. Let's now have a taste. You see, if you have ever had plain yogurt, you know the feeling, like it's sour, so you feel it uku. I don't know if you understand, but if you can't bear the taste, you can add in sugar or honey and enjoy it. But basically it's amazing. So I'm going to enjoy this with my, let me show you, with my granola. I'm just going to put in, this is so healthy guys. I have this for breakfast almost every time. So this is how granola looks like. It has so many things. So a spoon and a half. Granola has baked oats, raisins, cashew nuts, almonds, pumpkin seed, walnuts, sesame seeds. Yeah, this is the bomb. This is the bomb. And if you want this, I'll link down the lady's number. This is 250 grams. I guess it goes for, if I can remember, it's 600 shillings. Yes, a pack. And it will serve you, because every day you don't have to take more than 3 tablespoons. You know, 3 tablespoons. Yani, that's too much. So for us, for men it's okay, 3 tablespoons, but for women 2 or 1.5. So I'll link down a number where you can call and they will be it's nutritious guys. If you want to lose weight, this is what you should be having, because once you take this in the morning, you stay full the whole day, so you don't have to eat much. And also if you want to add weight, if you feel that you're full, you just continue eating and eating and eating, then you'll add weight. You know, we all have different goals. Some want to add weight, others want to lose weight, others want to maintain, so it's up to you. But this is for everybody. You can, it's amazing and it's really nutritious. I've told you, imagine having baked oats, cashew nuts, almond, dried pumpkin seeds every day in the morning with yogurt, with your own made yogurt. That combo, corona party. So see, don't know if you this is amazing. Having this in the morning, it's goals. Okay.
Allah, Allah, Allah. Okay. Say what?
The sweetness here.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Now, when you're making this, you don't have to add in honey, but if you want, you can. But for me, I prefer it like that because it already has raisins which are sweet, and the yogurt is sour. It's plain, so that combo, it's everything. So guys, continue subscribing, continue sharing, like, comment, and I'll see you in my. Please don't forget to subscribe, and please, whenever you watch my videos, please just give me a thumbs up and comment. I would really I would really love to hear from you. Please guys, so comment, like, share, and let's do life together. And I'll see you in my next vlog. Okay, let me enjoy my granola and my homemade plain natural yogurt. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.